Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video, and today we are going on a night point of view drive with this car, the Volvo XC40. This is actually my father's car, and today we are going to take a ride in it and we are going to explore all the details. So let's start with the design. As you can see, this compact SUV looks gorgeous in this spec. This is the Glacier silver color and goes very well in contrast with the black roof. We also have the LED lights that do come as standard on the XC40. Massive front grille. Let me show you the side profile. 4 meters 43 is the length. 21 centimeters of ground clearance. We have the 18-inch diamond cut wheels with the lovely 5 spokes. And yeah, overall really nice design. From the rear, well, you can't see that much. We're close to the wall, but very cool styling of the rear LEDs. And now let's see it from driver's perspective. Let's go on a night drive. Okay, and we are now ready to go. We have the 6-speed manual, so put it to first gear and let's go. So you see here in front of us we have the beautiful layout. We have a 12.3-inch digital cluster. I will show you the different views of that cluster that are available, and here the main touchscreen. And what's even better is that those features are standard. So each XC40 has the digital cockpit and also this main touchscreen in the middle. Also, you will notice that the layout is pretty similar to the layout of more expensive models, so the XC60 or XC90 or even the S90. So that's really nice, and I think this is really a lovely place to be. Let's start with the engine. So the model in our video, it's got the 1.5 liter 3-cylinder petrol engine producing 129 horsepower. So this is the base petrol engine. We have it paired here with the 6-speed manual, and we can also get the automatic transmission. I do believe that for 2022 we have only automatic available with this engine, at least when I saw the configurator today in Croatia. So yeah, we'll see about that, but I think currently only automatic transmission available. And yeah, well, here 10.9 seconds to reach 100, and top speed is limited to 180, just like with the rest of the new Volvo models, of course, for safety. And yeah, well, some people love that, some don't, because in Germany you are allowed to drive faster. So this model, I think, will be okay for most of the bars. But if you plan to drive it a lot on motorway and with 4 people in the car, it's better to go for the 163 horsepower engine. So it's the same engine with more of an output, and that one is also a mild hybrid. So that's a mild hybrid, and then this is the standard petrol. Speaking about the other options, there's also 197 horsepower petrol available. That's also a mild hybrid, and there are also options of either a plug-in hybrid or fully electric vehicle. So really a lot to choose from. So we are going to take a nice relaxed drive around my hometown of Zagreb. And first thing I'm gonna do is turn off the start-stop system. You do it here, so when you swipe it to your left, then you have all of the safety systems and driver assist systems as well. So lane keeping and collision avoidance, stuff like that. I love this clicking sound of the indicator. Very relaxing one indeed. So when you press this, you go back to the main menu, and we have the phone paired. So we have the Spotify as well as the navigation with the phone actually. So if I press this, now we have a lovely navigation view. So let me show you from close. And yeah, well, I wanted to show you the cluster. So when you swipe it like this, you go to settings, my car display, display themes, glass, minimalistic, which would be this one, performance, sporty, a red one, and chrome rings. Tell me in your comments which one is your favorite. This is probably the coolest one, the sport one, but I think the glass suits the car. It's more relaxing, let's say something like that. And you also have the bright theme available here. So just a second. Yeah, bright theme, but I think the normal theme is better. This car also has 4 driving modes actually. You press this drive mode button to change them. So we have the comfort, dynamic, eco, and off-road, which can be selected only when you are driving at low speeds. Let's put it to comfort for now. And overall, really, the position here is nice. You are a bit higher from the ground and you see everything without, any problem. And we also have a very comfortable seat with lumbar support, and really for nice cruising, it is really an awesome vehicle and great value for money. Of course, this car is packed with technology and safety systems. After all, it is a Volvo. And of course, you can add even more features. Currently, this is like the base one with the front assist. We have also the sensors. We also have the camera for the rear, which is, I believe, an option. And we also have the lane assist. So let's actually go here to the menu. Yeah, lane keeping aid, connected safety, park assist, road sign information, speed assist, and collision avoidance. And when you put it to dynamic, you have better throttle response. And as I said, if you want more power, then the 163 horsepower seems reasonable, because that one has 0 to 100 time of 8.6 seconds, which is really nice. And the manual transmission on this one is really good, because it's pretty short and the gears go really smooth actually. I mean, the changing is smooth, and it's a real pleasure to drive it, really. We also have a bit of a mood lighting, but of course these aren't the real ambient lights. And you can also upgrade the mood lighting, the ambient lights. Then I believe you would get some other sections illuminated as well, but you need to go for higher trim for that. So far, how do you like it? Tell me in your comments. We have the gear that we are currently in here on the screen, and also of course the speed. Okay, so he's letting us go, and that's a nice Porsche Panamera here. And now that we are stationary, let me show you the layout here. So we have the cup holders, we have the middle storage area, nice leather here, electronic parking brake, auto hold, and additional storage area, 12-volt power supply and USB ports. Speaking about the sound system, this is the premium, I believe it's called. So this is the this is not the standard one. Of course I can't put the music for obvious reasons, but yeah, this is really good in terms of sound. You can also upgrade to 13 speakers Harman Kardon sound system. That one is, you know, out of this league though. This one is great, but that one would be even more spectacular. But I think you'll be fine with this one, because really compared to some other cars, it is really impressive. This is the view from the rear view camera. As you can see, the quality is surprisingly good. So it's really dark, but the picture is really decent. I believe we have the BMW M4 behind us. It's cool, you can watch it here through the camera. Of course, when you go to a higher speed, then the camera goes away and you have the regular screen back on. There we go. And now the changing of the AC. So as you can see, we don't have physical buttons for the AC. You need to do it here. So this is how you adjust the temperature, and this is how you adjust the air blower. So not the ideal solution, but it's not that hard. And also there is an option of the voice command. And let me show you that. Need to press the button on the steering wheel. Change temperature to 17 degrees.
Temperature set to 17 degrees.
So you see, that's how Volvo wants you to, you know, configure the AC. And if you swipe it here to the right, you see we have the radio, USB. We also have the apps that are, you know, downloaded here. Internet maps, Spotify, and let's put the map actually on. And now we've put the destination. And we can go. guys, and that was it. A night point of view drive. Stay tuned for the point of view drive during the day. We will go on highway. I will show you the acceleration to 130 kilometers per hour. If you liked this night point of view drive, and I hope you find it relaxing just as much as I do. And that's it for now. Subscribe so that you don't miss some other videos. You can also watch my full review of this model, and that's pretty much it. See you on the next video. Bye bye.